Hey planners, welcome back to the channel. It's Sarah here, Creating with Sarah. Thanks for stopping by in another video. Today's video is an unboxing of my Happy Planner order from the back to school release. So if you guys want to check out what I got, then keep on watching. So welcome back planners. Thanks for stopping by in another video. If you're new to my channel, hello, I'm Sarah. Welcome. I hope at the end of this video you will consider subscribing and joining the creative planning fam. So before we get into this box, I do want to share something really quickly. Just kind of like a quick tip if you guys are new to the Happy Planner. So this order is from the back to school 2021 Happy Planner release. Was just like about a week ago. Not a week ago, it was like a couple days ago. It was Friday, it was last Friday. So on their website, if you click on the release, it'll take you to the entire collection. And if you click on a certain item, down here at the bottom under the description, it'll also tell you where you can pick it locally if you wanted to pick it up at Michael's or at Joann's. And then what's also cool is Happy Planner started this new add to wish list, so you can make your list and it's a faster process when you go to checkout. So I think that's really cool, especially around release time. So super fun. I definitely wanted to share that tip with you all. And then also, as of right now, as I'm filming this, they have like a 70% off flash sale. Okay, so let's jump into this box. And I want to share how it came to me in the mail, so you guys can get an idea of how when you order something from Happy Planner, how it comes. I think it's probably all different for everybody, but I wanted to share, and some of it is kind of upside down. So all right, so no particular order. The first thing I got two of was the pastel dye tie-dye, and this is the smaller 5 packs of Happy Planner stickers. And I definitely wanted 2 of these because I love this collection or this design. So it says pastel tie-dye. So I'm just gonna do a quick unboxing and just share with you guys my thoughts and what I picked up and things, but I'm gonna have a full flip through on Fridays. It's where I get to sit down and share my first impressions and thoughts on some of the releases, and so definitely check back on Friday for a flip through Friday on some of these items, especially the planner. I did get a planner, so spoiler alert. But this collection is so stinking cute. Again, you get 5 pages, and I would have loved a sticker book with just this collection. I feel like they have a small amount of summer stickers, and I would really love a summer release or something, you know what I mean? So leave it in the comments down below if you're like me and you want some more summer items. But I got 2 of those. Next up, I got these bookmarks. I love the Happy Planner bookmarks. They're bookmarks, they're dividers, or they're dashboards. I like to collect because I'm a accessory junkie. So when I saw these, I was like, yes, so cute. And I like the fact they're not all student or teacher based. And that's the kind of thing that I'm like, oh, when they do back to school, sometimes they throw in the summer stuff with it, but it's all like student, which don't get me wrong, there's nothing wrong with that. It's more of my style, but it's more geared to students, you know what I mean? So I like the fact that these are kind of simple and they don't say anything about school or anything like that. So then you have this pink one here with the gold foiling. You have this cute one with the rainbow. It says be kind. And then this one is so cute. It totally reminds me of Natasha, who is currently on squad. She's, definitely a Cali at heart. So Cali girl at heart. So this is super cute. I love this one. It's my favorite. So I did get the bookmarks because those are my favorite. Okay, and then this wasn't part of the release, but I went ahead and grabbed this because this is one of the collections that came out from the spring release. Jungle Vibes was like one of my favorite collections from that release. And yeah, so I'm not gonna open it because I don't have my scissors near me. But super cute. I think this may have clear and paper in it, but I just love this collection. It was super cute, and I wanted to pick up the small 5-pack sticker. There also is a mini value pack sticker book. I plan on getting that one soon, so I love that. Okay, let's see. Sticker books. So I did get 3 value pack sticker books, and these were the top 3 that I absolutely loved. Again, there was other sticker books. I think on the live it was around 11 or 12 maybe. So you definitely will have to go and check those out on the Happy Planner website. If you love florals, they had some beautiful floral sticker books. They had some teacher sticker books, like seasonal ones, and they had like smaller 5-packs in the floral stickers. But I loved these. So I did get, well, I don't know if this Good Vibes is a student one. Oh wait, it is. It is a student one because I see study on it and stuff. But okay, so they're all kind of school related, but these were like the most bright and bold, colorful ones. So I went with these. This one I think is exclusive to Happy Planner only. So if you love this one, you definitely have to get it on a Happy Planner website. It's called Out for Adventure. I'll just do a quick flip through, but it has like vacay vibes to me. It's definitely summer vibes. It's really cute. I love the color combinations. Really cute. So I got that one. Then this one, oh my gosh, this is so cute. I think I should have picked up 2 of these, but maybe when it comes to store, I can grab one. But this is Good Vibes. And this one kind of color coordinates with this one. Kind of has the same colors going there. But I love the water bottle with the vinyl stickers on it. Do a quick flip through of that one. But super fun colors. I already know, flipping through it for the first time, that there's only 1 sheet of these deco stickers. I would love more deco stickers, please. But super cute. Okay, the last one I got is Bold School. And this one's kind of bright and bold and colorful. Looks like there's a lot of boxes. So some fun stickers there. So yeah, those were the top 3. Again, there was a lot more in the release, but these were like my top 3 favorite. Again, I really wish there was this tie-dye in a sticker book. Maybe there is, who knows? All right, next up I have these plastic envelopes, and I'm really excited about these because again, I was happy to see things that doesn't have fully student or teacher related items. Oh, so excited. So this one is definitely like a pastel tie-dye, and it says Good Vibes. I am so excited about these. Because I've been using mine just to put extra stickers in. So any loose stickers that I have, I will put those in here, or photos for memory keeping. But that's basically what I use these for as of now. Look at this one. It's so pretty. Live a life of endless wonder. That is really pretty. And this one says, oh, how lovely. Yay. Like, you don't understand. Like, I'm so happy that these are just, a pretty basic envelope pouch with no teacher stuff or student stuff on it. Okay, then I got this, which I think every planner babe should have. I think they've come out with 3 different ones. 2 of them were like in a Be Happy box. So it was super nice that they put one in a release so everyone could pick one up. These are those silicone pen cases. I love these. My favorite thing about this is that it stands up straight, like it keeps its shape, and that's the main reason why I love this. The other one I have is the Wild Style one, because that one's cute. However, I did notice that this has something, like it looks like it has a pen mark on mine. I'll have to like see if that comes off. But these are really great because they stand up and they're very spacious, so you can grab your stuff, have it open like this. Super cute. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and take my box out of the way. Okay, are you guys ready? So I got two bigs, a big happy planner and then a big happy notes. So I'm ready to get into this. So excited. Okay, so if you guys have been following me, you guys know that I use a big currently this year for the first time, like for like everyday planning. I did use a big teacher planner when I was on squad. Of course, it was given to me at the beginning of the year, and I used it for when my kids were in school, when I was on PTA and I was part of like a running club and all that. So I did use it for like school function things. But this year I'm using it for like my everyday catch-all. Oh my gosh, check out these discs. They're so pretty. Oh my gosh, I'm excited. If you guys know, I love a colorful rainbow disc on my planners. So I've been using the teacher layout for mainly fitness and wellness. And so I was like, okay, I'm gonna have to find other layouts to use for like my everyday stuff. So I use the dashboard layout as well. So I decided to pick a teacher planner up to use for August, because this starts in August 2021. And I think I'm gonna use this as my fitness planner. Like this is gonna be my fitness planner, fitness and wellness. I don't think I'm going to Franken plan it because currently my planner is set up that way where it's Franken plan and there's like 2 of each month in it, which is fine. It was something to try out. No big deal, because I'm gonna switch that out for the summer. But once August starts, I think I'm just gonna dedicate this to fitness and wellness, so that way it's gonna be in its own planner, but we'll see. Again, we're gonna flip through this on Friday, so stay tuned. I'm so happy though that the cover of this is just "Do what makes your soul happy," which is one of my favorite quotes from Happy Planner, and that I love it's in this beautiful color. And the black is just so pretty and sleek. Oh my gosh, this is a beautiful planner. I love, there's like little foiling stars on it. You guys might see a reflection there, so hi. Okay, so turn it on the back side. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. This is so pretty. Oh, the inside is white with some stripes, some colorful stripes. Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna be so excited to share this with you guys in a flip through. But this is the planner that I got. Okay, and then I wanted to get a happy note because I think happy notes are great because you can swap out covers and have that extra paper. So if you're using a classic, pick up a classic happy note so you can swap out covers or a mini. And then they have them in the big. And I love the fact, again, thank you Happy Planner for, you know, putting in something that wasn't just school related, I guess I should say, because I don't want teachers and students to feel bad because, I don't know, do you guys feel the same way? You like to have things that are not always school related designs? Let me know. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Okay. Super cute. So this is part of the pastel, I guess. But this is dotted line, 60 sheets, and it has the translucent purple disc. We've seen those before. They're really pretty. I wish that the stores sold more of those in stores too, because those are really pretty. Okay, so it has like this holographic on the front, really pretty, and it's tie-dye. This one I can go ahead and share with you guys because usually happy notes are not that, there's not much to flip through. There's like 3 dividers and some paper. Okay, so I think on Friday I'll do like the sticker books and the planner. All right, so we have 3 dividers. It says, "You are strong and brave." Oh, I love the tie-dye. And this is dotted line. Yes, definitely love dotted line because, you know, it has that line feature, which really helps with writing for me personally. And then what is this up here? Oh, do what you love. I love that quote. It's part of like the other one, do what makes your soul happy kind of a thing. And yeah, not too much color, like definitely basic notebook paper, not too much going on, which is perfect. And so I'm gonna flip to the next divider. Yes, I love that Happy Planner little heart disc and the tie-dye. Okay, and then the last one, it says good vibes only, which is, you know, another favorite quote. I just love that positivity through Happy Planner. Plan a happy life at the bottom. This is the inside. I would have loved, okay, so I do love the classic planner. I was gonna say I would have loved like this color, but I think if you got the classic, I forget what, was it a vertical? I think it was the standard vertical. It's the most popular with Happy Planner. The layout is vertical. I think that planner, I love the cover. I love the cover, but I was like, oh, I can't just buy that for the cover. I mean, I'm using a big anyhow, but maybe later I'll pick it up. But yeah, I would have loved if this big one was in that cover or that color. But this one's pretty, of course. But I definitely picked this up mainly to have more big fill of paper. And then I have like these cute dividers, and then I can swap out covers if I'd like to. I do have a big Happy Planner, or sorry, well, it is Happy Planner, but it's a big daily planner that I set up that I actually put all my big productive sheets in there to help me stay more focused daily using those sheets. But anyways, so that was my entire order. I picked up a big Happy Note. I picked up a planner, so many new planners I know I have picked up. I'm ready to start those and share those. Definitely gonna switch it up for the summertime, so you're gonna wanna subscribe and see my setup for my summer planner lineup. I definitely go small and use a mini because I love minis and I missed a mini. And then I have the new skinny classic colorful leopard. You're gonna wanna see that. So yeah, so I got the stickers, my favorite stickers from this release, my favorite value pack sticker books. Of course, the pen pouch, because I'm an accessory junkie. And then the cute envelopes. Oh my gosh, so cute. So let me know if you got anything from this release, what was your favorite, and I will see you in my next video, guys. Thanks for watching, take care, and happy planning. Bye.